Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Mohammad Zunuran, your mathematics teacher. Now moving to exercise 2a question number 4. Here you have to encircle the numbers which are divisible by 10. Always remember that the number which ends with 0 is divisible by 10. So you have to pick that number which ends with 0. Here the number 1, 4 and 5 ends with 0, so they are divisible by 10. Remaining all numbers are not ends with 0, so they are not divisible by 10. Next question number 5. Identify the prime numbers from the list given below. So our answer is 2, 5, 7, 23, 59 and 19. As in previous lecture we have discussed that prime numbers are those which have only two distinct factors which are 1 and itself. So 2, 5, 7, 23, 59 and 19 are our prime numbers. Next question number 6. Identify the composite numbers from the list given below. Always remember that composite numbers are those which have more than two factors, means they should be divisible by more than two factors, means 1 and itself. For example, 16, 6, 4, 18, 56, 42. These are composite numbers because 16 is divisible by 2, 8, 4, 16 and also 1. So it have more than two factors, so it is a composite number. Always remember that 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Now, as we have learned about prime numbers and composite numbers, now moving to exercise 2b, question number 1, which is find the factor of the following numbers. Part 1 is 25. So we have to check that 25 is divisible by what numbers. Here, as we know that 1 into 25 is equal to 25, 5 5 the 25 and 25 1 the 25. So our factors are 1, 5 and 25. Moving to part 2, which is 48. So we have to make factors of 48. So we have to read the table of that numbers in which 48 occurs, as 1 into 48 is equal to 48, 2 into 24 is equal to 48, 3 into 16 is equal to 48, 4 into 12 is equal to 48, 6 into 8 is equal to 48 and 8 into 6 is also equal to 48, 12 for the 48, 24 to the 48 and 48 1 the 48. So our factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 and 48. These are our factors. In part 3 we have to make the factors of 18. So factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6 and 9 and 18. In part 4 we have to make factors of 28, as the factors of 28 are 1 into 28, 2 into 14, 4 into 7 and 14 into 2, 28 into 1. So our factors are 1, 2, 4, 14 and 28. In part 5 we have to make factors of 125. So we have to read the table of that numbers in which 125 occurs. Here 1 into 125 which is equal to 125, 5 into 25 which is also equal to 125 and 25 into 5 which is also equal to 125, 125 into 1 which is also equal to 125. Our factors are 1, 5, 25 and 125. In question number 2, we have to find the first 5 multiples, means that we have to read the table of that number up to 5. Here in part 1 we have to find first 5 multiples of 13. So we have to read the table of 13 up to 5 terms. Here 13 1 the 13 and 13 2 the 26, 13 3 the 3 3 the 9, 3 1 the 3, 13 4 the 52 and 13 5 the 65. In part 2 you have to find the 5 multiples of 29, means you have to read the table of 29 up to 5. Here you are provided with solution. Part 3, Part 4, Part 5 and Part 6 and Part 7 is also same, means you have to read the table of that number up to 5. Next, exercise 2c, question number 1, find HCF using prime factorization. As we have learned to make factors We have to find HCF using prime factorization. Part 1 is 6 and 9. So first of all we have to make the factors of 6 and 9. Here the factors of 6 are 2 3 the 6 and 3 1 the 3. Then factors of 6 are 2 multiplied by 3. Now we will make the factors of 9, which are 3 3 the 9, 3 1 the 3. So factors of 9 are 3 multiplied by 3. Now we have to find HCF, and HCF is the multiple of common factors. Here the common factors are those numbers which occur in both the numbers 6 and 9. As 3 is same in both numbers, so our common factor is 3 and HCF is also equal to 3. Next, in part 2, we are provided with two numbers 24 and 39. So first we have to make the factors of 24 and 39. Here 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, next 2 6 the 12, 2 3 the 6, 3 1 the 3. So factors of 24 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Next, factors of 39 are 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9. Next 13 1 the 13. So factors of 39 are 3 multiplied by 13. Now we have to check common factors. Here 3 is present in both the numbers, so our common factor is 3, and HCF is the product of common factor. Here common factor is only one number, so HCF will be also equal to common factor, which is 3. In third part we are provided with 22, 32 and 60. So factors of 22 are 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2 and 11 1 the 11, 2 into 11. Factors of 32 are 2 1 the 2, 1 will be carry, it will become 12, 2 6 the 12, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4 and 2 1 the 2. Next factors of 60 are 2 3 the 6, 2 0 the 0, 2 1 the 2, 1 will be carry, it will become 10, 2 5 the 10. Now it is divisible by 3, 3 5 the 15 and 5 1 the 5. So here are factors of 22, 32 and 60. Now we have to check common factor. Here common factor is only 2 because it is present in 22, 32 and 60. So our HCF is 2. In part 4 we are provided with numbers 15, 95 and 35. So factors of 15 are 3 5 the 15, 5 1 the 5, and factors of 95 are 5 1 the 5, 4 will be carry, it will become 45. Now read the table of 5 up to 45, 5 9 the 45 and 19 1 the 19. Next 5 7 the 35 and 7 1 the 7. So factors of 15 are 3 into 5, 95 are 5 into 19 and 35 are 5 into 7, and our common factor is 5, so HCF is also equal to 5. Next, in part 5 we are provided with numbers 21, 27 and 35. First we have to make factors of these numbers, and factors of these numbers are 371, 3331, 571. Because 1 is present in all three numbers, so our HCF is 1. Part 6, 7 and 8 will be your homework. You have to do it yourself. Next, question number 2, find the HCF using Venn diagram method. So first of all you have to make the factors of these numbers and then you will draw Venn diagram. Here part 1 is 72 and 30. So factors of 72 are 2 3 the 6, 2 6 the 12. Next 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the 16, 2 9 the 18, 3 3 the 9 and 3 1 the 3. So factors of 72 are 2 2 2 3 and 3. Next factors of 30 are 2 15 the 30, 3 5 the 15 and 5 1 the 5. Now we are going to draw Venn diagram. Here we have draw a circle and write the factors of 72 in a circle and the factors of 30 in a circle. Now combining A and B, here we have combined these two circles. You will combine these two circles by this. Next you have to do that, put common numbers in that portion. Here common numbers are 2 and 3, so you have to put common numbers which are 2 and 3 in that portion, and first circle represents A and second circle represent B. So put the remaining numbers of A in that portion, which are 2, 2 and 3, and put the remaining numbers of B in that portion here, which is only 5. So our LCM will be the product of that numbers which are present in that portion. Here 2 and 3 are present in that portion. So our HCF will be 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 6. Now next part number 2 is 50 and 80. So first we have to make factors of 50 and 80. Here we have made the factors of 50 and 80. Now draw circles for 50 and 80. We have draw two circles in this way, and next you have to pick common numbers. Here 2 is present in both these numbers and 5 is present in both these numbers, so put 2 and 5 here. In next part, put the remaining numbers of 50, which is only 5 in that portion. Now put here the remaining portion of B. We have already written 2 and 5 of that portion. Next the remaining portion is 2, 2 and 2. So this is our Venn diagram, and our HCF will be the product of that portion. Here in that portion 2 and 5 numbers are present, so multiply 2 by 5, we got our LCM, which is 10.